Dwayne Hamilton hit a top score of 40 as Geddestown beat Hamilton Mountain by 2 wickets at Jacks River as the St. Mary T20 cricket competition continued on Sunday. Batting first, Hamilton Mountain were bowled out for 106 in the final over. Jerome Hamilton led the way with the bat, getting 39, and was supported by Draven Walker with 29. Darian Walker picked up 3 for 9, while there were 2 wickets each for Dwayne Hamilton and Sheldon Clark. In reply, Geddestown got to their target at 108 for 6 with 5 overs and 1 ball to spare.
Yeah, we lost some early wickets. We were 44 for 4, and that was a bit scary at then. But then we know the team will be able to pull this off, this victory.
It was a very competitive game. The wicket was a bit wet this morning, so we managed to post a total of 106 runs. It was extremely hard to defend such a low total, but the guys put out a good fight in the end, so we have to commend them for their efforts.
In all the games, Jacks River beat Bonnie Gate by 19 runs. Taking first strike, Jacks River posted 162 for 8, with Faina Campbell getting 39. They then bowled out Bonnie Gate for 143 as Daguan West took 3 for 21. Elsewhere, Trevon Williams hit 39, that's a 39-ball knock off 79 in helping Gale CC to post 212 for 8 against Three Hills. Anthony Walters had a 65 against Kirk Campbell 3 for 44. Three Hills were later restricted to 146 for 6. Sashane Anderson top scoring with 44 and Alwyn Williams getting 43. And in the day's final game, Mango Valley 124 for 8 defeated Port Maria 112 for 8 by 12 runs.